Deep focus stands at the core of achieving meaningful success. In today's world, we are constantly surrounded by distractions, from buzzing notifications to endless streams of information. These interruptions make it increasingly difficult to concentrate on what truly matters. By cultivating intentional action and minimizing distractions, we can unlock our full potential and make significant progress toward our goals. Embracing deep focus is not just beneficial, it is essential in navigating the complexities of modern life. True achievement is rooted in focusing on what truly matters. By identifying our most important priorities and dedicating our energy to them, we set the stage for meaningful progress. Distractions, both big and small, can easily pull us away from our goals. Systematically removing these distractions from our daily routines allows us to channel our efforts more effectively. In doing so, we create the space needed for genuine accomplishment and personal growth. Meet our main character, a young individual making their way through the bustling heart of the city. Surrounded by a constant stream of notifications and digital chatter, they face the daily challenge of maintaining focus amid the noise. The city itself pulses with energy, its vibrant streets mirroring the overwhelming influx of information. In this environment, every moment is a battle against distraction, reflecting the broader struggle many experience in today's hyper-connected world. In the midst of daily life, the character finds themselves engulfed by a relentless wave of information. Social media feeds scroll endlessly, notifications flash and buzz, and the constant hum of environmental noise never seems to fade. Each new alert adds to a growing sense of pressure, making it difficult to focus or find a moment of peace. The world feels chaotic and overwhelming, leaving the character struggling to keep up with the demands of modern connectivity. In this crucial phase, time seems to slow down for the character. They become acutely aware of the constant stream of distractions that have been pulling them away from their true objective. This realization marks a turning point, as the obstacles are no longer just external. They are internal patterns and habits. The clarity gained in this moment sets the stage for meaningful change, as the character prepares to confront what has been holding them back. At this pivotal moment, the character decides to take control of their environment. They deliberately turn off notifications and remove sources of distraction, signaling a commitment to change. This conscious choice marks the beginning of a shift toward greater clarity and focus. By creating space for uninterrupted thought, the character sets the stage for meaningful transformation. As the surrounding distractions gradually disappear, a profound sense of calm settles in. The environment transforms into a space of quiet focus, free from interruptions. In this stillness, the character's mind sharpens, enabling them to reach a state of deep concentration. With clarity and determination, they make significant progress, drawing ever closer to their ultimate goal. At last, the character achieves their long-sought goal, a testament to the power of unwavering focus. Their journey demonstrates that by mastering attention, one can shape the direction of their life and realize their ambitions. This success is not just a personal victory, but a powerful reminder that controlling focus truly means controlling the future. The story leaves us inspired, showing that determination and clarity of purpose are the keys to ultimate success. Begin by introducing small, manageable habits into your daily routine that help minimize distractions. Simple actions, like setting specific times to check your phone or creating a dedicated workspace, can make a significant difference. Over time, these consistent efforts strengthen your ability to concentrate and stay on task. By taking immediate steps, you set the foundation for lasting personal growth and improved focus.